All clear for unloading Bay 1. Platform 2 approaching.
Make sure those fittings are torqued to spec. Roger that. Clamps are engaging now.
The resin flow is optimal, pressure stable.
All systems are green.
All right, that panel is now logged and stored. Let's keep an eye on the next batch.
Sounds good. All systems are looking normal on my end.
Transcription. The alignment sequence for the side panel is initiated.
Confirming engagement with the monocoque.
Transcription.
Pressure is nominal.
Hold for cure cycle initiation.
The integrity looks solid here.
Readings are green across the board.
Okay, adhesive application complete. Pressure sequence initiating. Force readings are nominal. Holding steady.
Guiding it down. Alignment looks good. Looks like perfect alignment on the left.
Right side is locking in now. Pressure readings are optimal. Just a bit more to the left on that control arm alignment. All dimensions are nominal.
Good. Let's move to the next checkpoint.
Okay, initiate sequence, lowering powertrain. All systems nominal, telemetry looks good.
Transcription. Make sure the radiator is aligned with the channels.
Coolant line is routed. Robotic arm. Secure the clamp.
We are getting some good numbers from the new suspension system.
The active dampening is responding perfectly.
Systems are cool man. Against you with tear pleasure.
Systems nominal, panel alignment is within tolerance.
Copy that. All carriers are on schedule.
Alright, the windshield is perfectly aligned.
Applying adhesive now, ensuring a secure fit.
All right, connection point alpha secure. Roger that. Locking mechanisms engaged.
Alignment on the console looks perfect. Passenger door seal is tight, no gaps.
Okay, the readings on the front fender are within tolerance.
Let's cross-check that with the door panel calibration. Flow rates nominal on coolant and oil.
Hydraulic systems are green. Confirmed. The telemetry looks nominal across all systems.
Agreed. Let's initiate the next sequence.
Looks perfect. All systems are green.
Final checks complete. She's ready.
Initializing airflow sequence. Stand by for data acquisition.
All systems nominal. Ready when you are.
Watch the compression on the front axle.
Readings are nominal.
Temperature rising to 600 Celsius. All systems nominal. Preparing for full stop. It looks perfect.
Agreed. Everything is in order.
All right, torque specifications confirmed on the driver's side, moving to passenger front.
Rear passenger alignment check initiated. Readings look good.
Did you check the VIN number for this one?
Yes, all systems are go.
A little more to the left.
Transcription confirmed.
All right, she's clear. Phase 1 complete.
Copy that. All systems nominal on departure.